Welcome to Yoga Life with Amelia. Self-care is something we may need more, but few of us make time for our busy lives. In this video, you will find quick and simple ways to relax, refresh, and rejuvenate your body, mind, and spirit. A high-quality sleep is necessary for a healthy mind and body. They say the average adult needs 7 to 8 hours of sleep a day. Sleep restores the body and improves energy levels, so waking up well-rested can have a positive impact on one's mood and overall performance. How about spending the day with your pet? Many studies show if you spend just a few minutes petting your dog or cat, your mood improves, blood pressure goes down, and breathing becomes more relaxed. Playing with your pet makes you be physically active as well. Visit your local animal shelter if you're considering adopting one. If you can, start your day with an early morning walk. Many people find it to be the most spiritual part of the day and take this time to prepare for the day ahead. Learn some basic yoga poses or practice a variety of stretches. Yoga has become very popular around the world for both physical and spiritual well-being. If you're new to yoga, remember to move at your own pace and match your breath with your movement. Nutritious snacks help your metabolism before your next meal. Plan your snacks just like you would with your meals, so you can make wise choices and have good, nutritious food available when you need them. How about taking a mental vacation for instant relaxation? It's easy and you don't have to leave your desk. Just use your imagination to visualize the place you would most like to be. Use your imagination for self-care and daydream a little bit. Consider this a personal time to recharge. It's an excellent way to manage the stress that comes your day. Write down your goals in a journal. Journaling has become very popular in the last few years. Many websites offer free prompts to help you write and keep you in the present moment. So find a notebook or journal you want to write in, and I'll provide a link in the description box below on the benefits of journal writing for self-care. Add some plants in your room or office. Indoor plants enhance the overall appearance of space, but studies have shown they can boost one's mood and increase one's creativity, which makes us feel healthier and happier and helps us feel good. And finally, reconnect with your spiritual side and make an effort to spend time resting, reflecting, or reading, or even find time and comfort in prayer. I hope you enjoyed this video so you can start taking care of yourself the way you take care of so many other people and things in your life. All these simple tips are from the Little Book of Self-Care, where you can find 200 ways to refresh, restore, and rejuvenate your body, mind, and spirit and surroundings. For more short videos on health and wellness tips, visit my channel Yoga Life with Amelia. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you on the next one.